a little bit of swing down the line there. So this is Wasim Akram. Paul Gilchrist having a go, trying to hit him into the stands down there by the scoreboard, but that was way outside off stump. Oh, he's beaten him. That's 2 deliveries so far in this Pakistan performance against Australia that have beaten the batsman all ends up. This one, look at that, hitting the seam, just moving away and beating the outside edge. That's a great delivery. It really is. And look at the bounce there. And of course the last ball of the last over from Shoaib was an absolute peach. It was him again. Oh, beats Hayden, beats him outside off stump, played at that one too. That's 3 now, 3 that have beaten the bat. There's a little bit of movement. We expected a little bit of juice out there early on. And if they weather the storm for the first 10 overs or so, it'll be beautiful, but this is a good delivery.
This is quality stuff from Wasim Akram. Now he's getting that lovely length. Matthew Hayden neither forward nor back, beaten by that little bit of movement.
Wasim Akram continuing. Through to the keeper. The end, is that the end of the over? No, it's not. Yes, 2 wide so far. Oh, officially steered away down to third man, and well, Shoaib was on the ground, but he's managed to stop it. I think he slipped down there. The end of the over, it's 12 for 1.